Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Plantation Farming. Today we have visited one of our best farm called Sapira. We are at Sapira farm guys. You can take a view now. If you are new to the channel guys, please consider subscribe. We are at Sapira farm guys. If you never, can you see? The one you can see there trying to feed them is the owner now, Doctor. We are at Sapira guys. We are at Sapira farm guys. Please consider subscribe. Please consider subscribe. Please consider subscribe. If you want to be the best farmer, let's work together guys. We are at Sapira farm guys. We are at Sapira farm guys. For those who are new to the channel guys, please consider subscribe. Share the video with my mentee Dr. Riveve. He started small guys, you can see. He started with 3 now. After 2 years he has all this now. You won't believe, but goat farming is the best guys. Goat farming is the best. If you are new to the channel guys, please consider subscribe and follow us to the next video guys. We are going now to give them some vaccine. Until next time, bye for now.